Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, February 4th, and we're going to take a look here at ConAgra. So this is a trade we've been swinging all week, since last week, and it's played out really well. We finally took profits on the remaining runners, what was left of the original position today. We were up about 200% or so. You can see there's where the options were right before I closed them. And what we had looked at was a well-defined base down here with nice resistance at the 18 level. Our first target was that 19 test on the previous pivot high, and our second target was the $20 test on these previous pivot highs. So we've gotten extended now, and overall we've had two really nice big days today. But this is an example, ConAgra is an example of how when the market's going risk off, which is what we've been seeing, S&P's been coming down. We've been seeing a lot of money coming out of these high beta stocks, all your tech stocks, and especially SaaS companies with Microsoft dropping. We've seen a lot of money coming out of these riskier assets and going into more quote-unquote safe haven type assets. So another example of a trade that we're in that's very similar to this, it's a safe haven that we're also long, even though the market's been bearish, is McDonald's. And if you take a look here at what McDonald's looks like, we have this big resistance level that we popped through yesterday. So that's when we got long, was yesterday on the breakout. And we're trading out quite a bit, several months to expiration, looking for this to keep rallying. We're up about 20% right now. But we want to see a strong weekly close. But this is another risk-off asset. When money gets taken out of these riskier stocks, you can still go long, but we want to go long stocks that are inversely correlated to risk on. So things like McDonald's, we also traded Pepsi. We got out of that yesterday. But Pepsi played really well and still holding shares in Pepsi. But it's an example of how you can diversify. Even if market sentiment is bearish, we can still take long opportunities in the right sectors at the right time. So keep an eye out. Safe havens are doing well so far. Tech high beta stocks doing terribly. You're seeing some 30-40% drawdowns in a lot of these. So just be careful with them overall. And even while we have these long positions in ConAgra and McDonald's and Pepsi, etc., we also had shorts. We were short QUBT, Hut Mining, TSM, Applied Materials, all from breakouts today to the downside. So we're trading both sides of the market. It's just we're shorting high beta stocks and aggressive risk on stocks, and we're going long the risk off stocks. So keep an eye out for this kind of setup. It works really well, especially if you have a market that's running in fear, but you're not seeing just the entire market tanking. But that's it for today. Don't forget, you can join us in the trading room if you want to get these trades with us live. Just go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link down in the description below. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.